Today I'll head out shooting some pictures still around my neighborhood, not going too far, and this time I will be bringing with me the 85mm Sony f1.8, and I will actually also stick this Moment Cine Bloom filter, you know, this kind of Pro Mist filter. I'm quite interested in what type of result I can get with 85. This Pro Mist filter today is quite bright, and it's 4:30 in the afternoon, so still plenty of light. Not sure it's the best condition to use this kind of filter, so 85 1.8 Cine Bloom 10%. That's it, let's go. Little side note on how I get the POV with my action cam. I don't use that much the chest mount recently. I bought one of these clip, which is really useful because it's less conspicuous, it's less fuss to put on, and it's actually really useful to use as like a little tripod when you want to do some kind of B-roll with the action cam, so you can stick it pretty much everywhere. So really good purchase. I got like a cheap one from Amazon, about $5, and it does the job really well. Loving how light this lens feels. So, quick stop here. At this point of the shoot, for some reason, I looked at the back of my screen and it almost looked like already rendered and edited film photography. I don't know, it must have been because of the light conditions, the buildings and the greens around me, but I was like, wait, it would even look better if I slightly overexpose, which obviously I tried, and to my opinion it looked really well. It's very unusual because I'm a big advocate of underexposing when shooting digital. For the edit, I accentuated this film look, and now let's get back to this POV and look at the result. And that's a wrap. I'm curious to know what you think of this POV session. I'm pretty happy with the result with the Cine Bloom filter, especially in the second half of this photo session when the sun was a bit lower. I think the halation created by the filter looked quite great, and maybe also helped with this film look I noticed in these last few pictures. I would be really grateful if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, it really helps, and let's catch up in the next one. Matane!